Hey, hello. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you are doing great and I hope you're being productive. If you see my face for the very first time, I am Susanita Efe. You guys, today's video is just like you can tell already. I'm just going to be unboxing stuff I got from Amazon and I just got back in, guys. I just got back in. I was so excited and I was opening the boxes already. Take a look, guys. Take a look. I already unboxed what is in here. So this, I was just so excited. And in the middle of unboxing, I just realized that I can actually record a video and share it with you guys. So yeah, I grabbed my camera, I did a little bit of setup and here we are. So let's get right into the video. So this right here, let me just tell you guys, this right here, you guys, you know I am a hairstylist, like I make hair. So I got a new stand, like a stative for my mannequin head. So you guys, this is my mannequin head. See? See? So if you are in Berlin, make sure you come around to get your hair done. Okay? So I got a new stand, right? This one right there. This is my stative for my mannequin head. Say hello to all the YouTubers. Come on now, say hello. I'm trying to talk very calmly and very gentle because of my neighbors. Sometimes a particular neighbor kind of acts very funny, so I don't want her to come knocking and make some noise. So let's get back to the unboxing. So you guys, I already opened this box, and what we have here, guys, I got the how is it called? This is the olive miracle. Oh, from African Pride. Guys, if you have not tried products from African Pride, if you are someone with 4C hair and maybe you have also relaxed hair or permed hair, you should definitely try some of the African Pride's products. They are really very good. So I got the Olive Miracle Extra Shine Long Lasting Sheen. I got two of this spray. I got two of them, and this is the second one right here. I really like this spray, especially when I braid hair. I really like them, and my clients, they love them. They love the feeling. Their scalp really feels moisturized and it eases tension. The other item I got, you guys, I got this methylated pasta mango and lime maximum relief no itch grow spray. Guys, the first thing that really attracted me to this maximum relief no more itch go spray was the aroma. You guys, the aroma is just you know I love something with a good aroma. So you guys, if you're someone that your scalp itches a lot, if your scalp really itches a lot, you might want, not like you might, you should get this spray. Like, you should get it for yourself. Trust me, you are going to love it. Let me bring it closer for you guys to see. Like I said, I got two of this spray as well. It's just the two of them, and just those four products came in this box. So let me just quickly send this out of the way. And next, we are going to be opening this. You guys, this box, I don't know what is in. You know, I bought a lot of stuff from Amazon lately, like a whole lot, that literally every day I was getting like 2-3 packages being delivered on a daily basis. And my neighbors were kind of like confused, like what is going on? But anyways, you know, in today's world, now we have to order a lot of things online. It's not like before where you can walk in and then get everything. Okay. Okay, let me be a decent girl, okay? Let me just use my scissors to like open it. Really? Really? Okay. Okay. So you guys, I don't know what this is, but I am thinking, I'm suspecting this is okay, let me not see anything. Let me just open it. You guys, oh my goodness. Oh wow. Wow. Styling comb. Guys, take a look at this. I've got my own styling comb. For a long, long time, I've always wanted a styling comb. You know, if you make wigs or you wear wigs, a styling comb is something that you will need for your wigs. And for a very long time, like a very long time, I've always wanted a styling comb. And yippee! Finally, okay, guys, if there's one thing you need to know about me when it comes to unboxing stuff, I just don't have the patience for it. Sometimes I just want to like, just like tear everything like a lion. But sometimes you have to be careful when you unbox stuff because you might have to return it. What if it doesn't work well? I may have to return it. So I just have to take my time to open it gently so I don't rip the... Oh, good. Good. I know some of you are laughing like, what is she doing? Okay, so here we are. Goodness. My goodness. Okay, it's on this side. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. Finally, finally, I can't wait to try it. I really can't wait to try it. Okay, that's it with this box. The last one is this one right here. You guys, I will have to stand up to unbox this one, or we can actually do it right here. Let's see how this works. Okay, come soon. Okay, let's do this. Guys, let me just say this. The link to every of this item I got from Amazon, I'm going to leave the link down in the description. So if you want any of this for yourself, just follow the link, okay? All right. Guys, this stative is quite heavy, like it's heavy. I can tell, I feel already like it's a good one because it's quite heavy. My previous one, the one I have right now, before I bought this, it's really very light and really not stable at all. So when you're braiding or you're trying to do something, it's really not stable. So I think this will be a good one. Let me try it. Okay, I think I may have to, oh, it's working. It's working. Okay, Guys, let me just leave this. Let me just take my time, go off camera, fix it, and I'll show you guys a picture or a short clip and how it is. This is just a quick unboxing video. I just felt like I should just record something for you guys so that you know that I am back and I am going to be around, and I'm just going to be showing you guys a lot more of other things, like other than makeup, hair. I'm going to be showing you guys in I wanted to speak German. I'm going to be showing you guys just mini clips of here and there stuff that I do other than makeup and hair. So guys, this is just, like I said, an unboxing video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I would love to hear from you guys. Give me ideas, give me tips, what kind of video you would like to see from me. And if you made it this far, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the link of every item. It's going to be down in the description. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link and check the stuff out. So that being said, thank you for watching. I love you. Make sure you love yourself, and I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao. Auf Wiedersehen.